Hello everyone, very good evening to one and all. Welcome back to the Vishta Rajkumar online classes for all the my dear aspirants. Today I would like to discuss about the syllabus, blueprint, weightage of the marks, 30% deleted and 70% content in the course of the physiotherapy for the first year students. Okay, who are watching first time, please watch till the end of my video. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and you have to hit the bell icon. So let me see the one by one. This one is a physiotherapy. This is just I won't explain, but I will give the little bit pictures. It may be useful for you people who are going to write the examination. So this is a first year syllabus of the physiotherapy students. Okay, general foundation common. I have separately I have to discuss the English and GFC. You have to go if you want. You can go through this. Okay. Next, coming to anatomy and physiology, psychology and abnormal psychology, and biomechanics and exercise therapy. These are the three subjects that are main important in the physiotherapy courses. Okay, next coming to the okay. So you may have the OJT training. So OJT is nothing but the clinical training. Whatever you learned in the theory in the classroom setup, so you have to that you should be implemented in the clinical area in the patients. So during that, based on your performance, you may get the marks. This marks is known as OJT, on job training. This marks is given by your teachers. Okay, when you are doing the performance, they may supervise, they may give the marks. It's clear to everyone. So this is the OJT marks. 100 marks will be there. So overall, you may have the English 50 marks. Okay, English 50 marks, GFC 50 marks, and anatomy theory 50, practical 50, 100. Psychology and abnormal psychology theory 50, practical 50, 100. Next, biomechanics and exercise therapy 50, theory 50, practical. Overall 100 marks. Next, this is the 50, 50, 100, 200, 300, 400. Next, OJT 100. Overall 500. You may have the first year 500, second year also you may have the 500. So overall intermediate you may have the 1000 marks. It's clear. So next coming to OJT evaluation, based on the evaluation you may have this one. This you may get the OJT marks based on this performance. So next this is the units, how many subjects are there, English are already discussed in separate video. You if you want you can go through that video. Okay, if you're not unable to search it, if you're unable to get that GFC and okay like English, you may personally you may contact in the form of comment, because definitely I will try to provide the link regarding that video. So let me see the anatomy and physiology theory, first paper 1. So this is the syllabus. In this 30% 70% syllabus also I will discuss. Okay, okay, here this is the planes of the human body. This is a deleted topic. Okay, planes of the human body is deleted topics. Osteology, okay, arthrology, next myology, cardiovascular, nervous system, everything is there. So whatever it is deleted, I will mark it. No need of worry. Respiratory system, digestive system, urinary system, reproductive system. Okay, this is anatomy. Is anatomy only one topic is deleted. That is the planes. I think planes of the human body is deleted. It's clear. So next coming to the, let me see the physiology. Animal cell, blood, heart and circulation, respiration, neuromuscular system, okay, metabolism of fat, carbohydrates, proteins, excretory system, endocrine system, reproductive system. See here, in reproductive system, contraceptive method is deleted. Okay, contraceptive topic is deleted. Next, coming to the, so that first one is finished now. The first topic is the, see here, the first in physiotherapy, the first subject paper 1 is the, I will show you one second, anatomy and physiology. Okay, in MLT students, they may have all the medical related courses. Compulsory the students may have the anatomy and physiology course, physiology subject. Okay, next coming to the second paper is the psychology and abnormal psychology. In this also, okay, what is psychology, behavior. So here you have here mark, no, the black mark here will be then aptitudes. This is deleted. Next, disorders. Okay, here disorders topic is deleted. Personality development assessment is there, but deleted is disorders అనేది డిలీట్ చేయడం అనేది జరిగింది ఇక్కడ. నెక్స్ట్ ఇండివిజువల్ డిఫరెన్సెస్, వ్యక్తిగత భేదాలని డిలీట్ చేయడం అనేది జరిగింది. నెక్స్ట్ సైకో న్యూరోటిక్ అండ్ సైకోసోమాటిక్ డిజార్డర్స్ డిలీటెడ్ వన్. మెనోపాజల్ సిండ్రోమ్ ఇస్ డిలీటెడ్. Okay, this one also deleted, this one also deleted. Okay, so paper 2 also finished. Next coming to the paper 3, biomechanics and exercise therapy. So here these are all the things. So here everything is there, nothing is deleted. Okay, here sixth one ma, serial number 6, joint mobility is deleted. Okay, joint, sorry, So here joint mobility is deleted. Okay, next coming to the, see here, so many topics are deleted in the third paper, like I see. Okay, types of muscle work, range of muscle work, this topic is deleted. Next 8th is 8th is there, 9th is there, 10th is the overall deleted, 10th one is the overall deleted topic. Next 11th is there, 12th postal drainage is deleted. Okay, next one is the definition, classification of postal drainage, training is deleted. 14th is there, 15th is there, 16th is there. Okay, it's clear now. So next coming to the like a, I will show the model question paper. I will discuss now first, second, third papers are deleted. So I discuss next coming to the, like I will show the model paper. So this question paper is prepared based on 100%. Okay. చూడండి అమ్మ, ఇక్కడ అనాటమీ అండ్ ఫిజియాలజీ పేపర్ అనేది 100% సిలబస్ని బేస్ చేసుకుని ప్రిపేర్ చేశారు. కాబట్టి మీకు ఆల్రెడీ డిస్కస్ చేసిన 30% సిలబస్, 70% అంటే డిలీట్ చేసిన టాపిక్ 70% ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి 70% అంటాం. కాబట్టి అందులో ఏమైనా డిలీటెడ్ ఉన్నట్టయితే ఈ క్వశ్చన్ చదవాల్సిన అవసరం ఏం లేదు. క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ సెక్షన్ ఏ వెరీ షార్ట్ ఆన్సర్స్, 2 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్, ఇందులో చాయిస్ అనేది ఉండదు, అన్నీ రాయాలి. సెక్షన్ బిలో చాయిస్ అనేది ఉంటుంది, 8 ఇస్తారు, మీరు 5 రాయాలి. ఒక క్వశ్చన్కి 6 మార్క్స్. కాబట్టి సెక్షన్ ఏ 20 మార్క్స్, సెక్షన్ బి 60 మార్క్స్, అంటే 30 మార్క్స్ ఉంటుంది. ఓవరాల్గా 50 మార్క్స్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ కమింగ్ టు దిస్ పేపర్ 2 సైకాలజీ అండ్ అబ్నార్మల్ సైకాలజీ, సేమ్ థింగ్, దెర్ ఈస్ నో డిఫరెన్షియేషన్. మార్క్స్ సేమ్, టైమ్ ఆల్సో 3 hours. Actually we have the timings from 9 to 12 p.m. Okay, see the question. I'm not discussing, I'm not explaining the question, just I'm giving the pics. It may be useful. Anyhow, we have only limited time, so that is the reason. If I give in the class also, you may not have to concentrate. That is the reason. Instead of wasting time, if I provide any content, it may be useful, I think. Next coming to the biomechanics and exercise therapy. This is the last paper, I think. Section A. These are questions. First you have to go to 30%. Whatever is deleted, first you make it notes. If it is any question is there, you have to, no need to read that questions. You have, okay, when you are preparing the notes, when you are reading the questions, before only you have to make it notes. So when you are preparing, it's easier when you are referring the notes also, isn't it? Section B. So till now I discussed overall the physiotherapy, 30%, 70%, blueprint, objectives, OGAT, evaluation, everything I have discussed. Model question paper also I have discussed. If you want any if you want anything more, you can ask me. Okay, so definitely I will try to provide the feedback regarding your question. So thank you one and all. I will come with a nice video, so keep in touch with me. Thank you all once again.